This is our Lonely Ab on-the-go tacos with black garlic and avocado. I hope you like it. Today we're gonna do some simple tacos. We're in Austin, Texas, home of the breakfast taco. I bought a simple pork loin. It was only $5.50. So that's way cheaper prepping this than going out to eat for a couple lunches. I bought some mirepoix. It's basically the Trinity. It has cut up celery, onions, and carrots in here. All right, so I have my pork cut up into nice little manageable pieces. I'm gonna throw these in the bowl. I have this Texas Black Gold black garlic. So it's a powder. I'm just gonna pour some of this on the pork. So now I have this, and I'm just gonna mix it a little bit and put it right in the pan, no oil. I have the stove set to about medium high. So I wanna get the nice little crisp on the pork. A little bit of remaining fond, I think they call it, in the pan. So I'm gonna actually deglaze the pan a little bit, not using wine, but just using a little water. The mirepoix is cooked down, and looks like it's soaked up all of that, the juice. We're about to build our taco. I found these jicama wraps. So they're thinly sliced that you can use them just like tortillas. We have some of these tangerines. We had a snack, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this on the top to add a little